looking car. I mean, best
What's up, Husky
off-road.
Gang? Back at it with another video, and today we're here with my friend Jet here, and we're, as you can tell, doing best off-road car, not off-road truck, nothing like that, just best off-road car.
Problem.
What's that?
You never said no trucks. Well, does a pickup truck count?
A pickup truck does count, and that counts as a truck category, so we cannot use those.
Okay, I'm just gonna look at the one I do then because it looks. Jesus Christ! It
Alright,
is a
let
mess.
me choose
Oh,
a
car.
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 Let's see. I think I have a car, but I'm not too sure
Is
if
it
I want to
supposed to look
use.
stupid? Is it supposed to look stupid or good?
Hold on, let me see. Where are you at?
I'm not done yet. Is it supposed to look stupid or good?
It could look stupid. It could look good. I don't really care.
You know, best looking off-road car. Let's do that.
All right, best looking off-road car. Let's see. I think I have the car in mind, and it's not one I already built.
I think I have a car in mind too. I'm painting it lemon color. It looks like a lemon. I painted it, and it looks like a lemon. I don't want to ruin. Oh my god!
I'm gonna do this GTA style, bro. I'm gonna do this GTA style.
Oh, this is not the best looking car I could make. Actually, yeah, it ain't bad. This actually ain't bad. Oh my god, it has so much body roll. I can barely drive without rolling over. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the body lean.
That's funny. Alright.
Problem.
I'm not sure if I want to do this actually. Like this car that I'm in.
Problem.
Yeah. What's the problem?
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Come back. But, hell nah. Problem.
Oh, that's actually really good. Oh, help. Oh, your car went. It came useful.
That's a problem there, right?
That is a problem, though.
It's a massive problem. Jeez.
Let's see.
Look at it, Dad. Come down here and look at it in first person.
I already did. Oh, suspension, dude. Oh, that's gonna look good.
Yeah, it's a Lada. I don't think it's gonna look good.
Oh no, I'm choosing a different vehicle actually.
Okay, this looks dumb, so I'm building another one.
Oh, that's actually really good looking right there.
Not my car. I don't want to ruin my. Look, this car. As soon as I'm done with it, I'm building it into a clean build.
Look at this.
I don't want to ruin my C60. What the hell is that?
Hot rod.
How did you get that?
It was in the game. I think they took it out.
Damn it! Screw you, Foxy's production. You hear that?
How much do you want to bet he's not going to watch this video either way?
He will be tired of the video. Whoever watches this actually has a good game.
No, whoever watches this shit. No, if the game owner.
I like this game. I like this game. I'm just messing with.
You ready to off-road?
No.
You know what? Maybe you're right. This was not such a good idea for this car. Did I buy off-road tires on this? Or did I even put them on? Yeah, I did.
I know what I'm. Oh, I have the perfect car. Wait. Can we actually?
There we go.
After this, then we're gonna do stupid. Okay.
Alright.
First, we're doing. So this is best looking. Then we're doing most stupidest looking.
Alright, I already got the car for that then.
Oh, don't worry, I have the car for most stupid looking too. If I black this car out, then it will look good. So I won't be able to see it.
How do you like the rims on this actually?
I don't know, but I'm wasting money on rims for a car that I blacked out.
Alright, I'm gonna
Oh,
make the most
hey, this car ain't bad.
ugliest.
This car ain't bad at all. This thing's sick, actually.
I'm
Oh
making the
hell!
most
Oh, oh,
ugliest
oh,
one you
oh my god!
possibly
It's not
could
even. Yeah, it's not even
ever.
outrageous. Look at this thing.
Let's see it. Hold on, where is it? Oh, that actually looks good. I was actually thinking about doing that too.
Oh my god! From the back, it looks really cool.
And we gotta also do races for these things. Remind you.
I'm switching cars again.
You know what? Yeah. If I think about that now.
It's funny how we both went from okay
Perfect.
to crap. Fast car, fast car. No, like no cheating, no pulling out like a car that I can't top in speed. Like don't pull out the 9 mil car. It's not fair.
Why would I do that? I'm not trying to
Yeah,
mess
true.
that car up.
Look, I do my Bugatti, but I don't want to race it out.
Exactly. I don't want to race my car out either.
Okay, I'm doing a $1 million car, but it's not staying like this for long.
You know, if you're
But I
doing a
can't,
$1 million car, I'm doing a $1 million car.
I can't afford it. I can't afford to put the springs on. Can you send me like 100 grand so I can actually finish this thing?
Yeah, give me a second.
It's the raising springs for this car cost 26 grand.
When you gotta ask your friend for money.
When you gotta punch your friend in the face when you meet him for the first time. When you gotta wait for him to put the money into the account so you can actually afford something. Thank you. Well, Tanku.
Alright, I'm done.
I didn't say put $1 million in. I didn't say put $250,000 in. But I'm not complaining.
Don't
Even
be.
though
Stop complaining.
I'm not. Thanks for the money. Alright, bro, what do you think of the whip?
Alright, you did that one? I literally did one similar to that one.
My car's taller.
Yeah, but how much do you want to bet mine's faster?
How much did that cost? Oh,
Uh,
crap.
1 million exactly.
This was 1.1. But with the mods, 1.1 million and 50K. I gotta build this properly
I'm
because
gonna do. I don't
if
like
someone
this
goes and
car anyway, so hold on.
if someone goes and walks in my dealership, they'll see this because this is one of my cars that's displayed. Oh, snowman.
I'm doing a 1.2 now.
Why? Because you're a cheater?
No, like that actually looks good lifted a little.
I was gonna do the center, but I didn't want to ruin it.
I don't like the center.
Alright, no races though, because that's, well, I just, I don't like races.
Other cars we have to do the races, like the hot rod and shit like that.
We'll do a racing video later. See, that's why I don't want to race. Actually, I'd probably still win from your roll over there. I don't think you're gonna be able to do a race in that thing.
You
Because
want me to?
that car will be too busy. That car's gonna be too busy on the back of a tow truck soon. Come on, it will.
Yeah, probably.
So will my car. I just rolled over.
No. We're on the way to go to the hospital, actually.
Yeah, alright, I'll meet you at the hospital. How much does a normal serum cost? 5 million. Bro, for 5 million? That's I wanna buy 25 million. Do you dare me to buy 25 million?
No, actually, hold on. If you buy 25 million, you know what? If you buy it, I'll buy it with my Robux when I get them.
Looks like
Excuse me.
your boy's buying 25 mil if he's allowed to get that much Robux.
Because then I'll have enough left over for like a Game Pass or something.
Bro, did this dude just hit you?
Yes.
I tried to cut you off. Yes, I managed to cut you off. Pulled in here. I don't even want to go off-roading anymore. I just want to be stupid with these things. Let's go, bro.
Yo,
Around the corner?
we gotta do the ice race. Come on.
Soon. Look, I'm just trying to go around the corner at 120. Okay?
All right, come over here.
I think I just died. Oh my god, come over. Oh, damn it. My character was just sticking with his legs up and his head was in the ground, but then he got up. Can you come to the street race? I'm right next to the street race and I'm dead.
All right, I'm on my way.
I'm not dead, but the car is.
Oh, I'm over here two-wheeling it right now.
I'm over here roof wheeling it.
Let's see. You said street race, right?
Right next to street race, yeah. Should see me.
That's funny.
Alright, let's do the stupid one now, and then we'll do the racing after both cars.
All right.
I already finished my stupid car earlier off camera.
Same.
You've seen it before.
But I did it on camera.
Nah, I did it off camera.
No, we're not doing Dodge Rams, you fucking retarded ass game.
We're doing stupidest looking. Hold on, I gotta make some mods to my car to make it look a bit worse. What the?
Hold on.
What
I can't
Hold on,
do this actually.
I gotta do some mods.
I want to see if I can roll this.
I'm doing muscle wheels for a car. What's the biggest wing?
I don't know.
Oh my god, look at this rice box. Look at the rice box with the ugly wheels and the massive wing.
Ew.
Do you like the wheels and the wings? You can't have a Mustang too. I'm using the Mustang. This thing only costs 60k, so you're not allowed to use like a 200k car. Use the Golf, bro. You there? Hold on. I'm gonna put some stupid wheels on this thing. Hold on. Wait, no, I'm putting stupid tires on this car. Hold on. Can you fix your mic? I can't hear you. Maybe I can't. The way you're talking is weird when you do talk. This car only costs 60k, so don't be using no $1 million. No, you cannot use the Huracan.
This is.
Oh, okay, because you just killed the driver in it.
Hold on. He's saying, hey, yo, I got the.
Oh my god, I think he likes the Mustang.
Did you just see
Nah, my car's too low.
He said, "Hey, yo, bro."
What are you doing to him? Bro really decided to have kids with us. Screw off.
You ready to go off-road these things?
Nah, do it from behind, bro. I'm ready. I'm gonna hold on. Nah, I'm just gonna park right here. He's running. He's running.
Get him!
I'm trying. I'm only in a Mustang. Typical Mustang.
Oh, the
Okay, so
rollover.
I just did something stupid. You know what I did?
What?
I said typical Mustang driver to a Mustang driver that hit me, and then realized I'm driving a Mustang. So I just a Mustang hit me, and I said typical Mustang driver. I'm in a Mustang.
I know.
I just typical Mustang driving myself.
Hold on, I'm in a typical Mustang. No, Dodge. Dodge. Driver this.
I just saw a typical Chrysler driver driving on top of the yellow lines. I'm in a tunnel. I'm in a tunnel in the Mustang. Oh, I'm putting new tires. Hold on. Oh hell yeah, these tires are great. Now it has spikes. It has the spiky tires. Bro, this Mustang looks so weird.
Bro,
Hold on, I'm building this.
this Dodge is
Nah.
hard to drive without trying to roll it over.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make the Mustang look a lot better because it looks so bad right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, what's up, bro?
Oh, what's up?
I can't take off, no spoiler. Oh, there you
Dun 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 dun
go.
dun.
Go away. I'm building a clean car.
You're building your racer car.
No, my clean car.
Dun dun dun
Oh,
dun
stop
dun
it.
dun
Quit
dun.
it.
I got a park on your hood. Hey, get back here.
Nah, you will never catch me.
You come back here now. All I have to
No.
do is just lower this car and it'll look better.
Yeah, I just slammed this thing, put a better wing on it, put better wheels, painted it, and it looks amazing. No, I'm still a typical Mustang driver though. Nothing there has changed. Can you sell cars in this game?
Not yet, I don't think. I hope they do change that though.
Okay, because this Mustang, I don't really like it anymore. Nah, I'm joking. It looks sick right now.
I lowered this all the way and it looks so much better and drives smoother.
Yeah, my car used to only go like 150k an hour, and now I'm going 200k an hour. They should have engine mods because this thing's still kind of slow.
Same.
My top speed's 205k an hour. I'm looking at my dream car that I think I'll never own in this game.
Where are you at, my boy?
I'm at the you know how next to the parking that Chiron? Chiron just sits there that you just passed.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay, so I'm looking at the Chiron. I really want it.
The Chiron.
I really want the damn Chiron. That thing's nice.
That's the
Damn,
Veyron. No, that's the
no,
Chiron.
this is
You want this?
how is it? I want this bad. This thing's sick.
Want to drive one?
Nah, I want to own one. Oh, unfair.
I asked if you wanted to drive one.
I want to see what it looks like in my dealership. Hold on.
When your friend's trying to steal your car, but he can't.
Well, I want to save up for this, but it would take too long. My car now. Nah, I'm joking. This one looks good in here. Is there a gifting car feature? I'll trade you. I'll trade you cars, bro.
Nah.
Go upstairs. You can have the Ford GT that's upstairs for this. You can have the Ford GT that's up there for this. Go upstairs. There's a Ford GT up there that you'll love. And we can trade, okay?
No, we ain't trading. I don't want your Ford GT. I already have one.
Yeah, but you like this version. This version looks better than yours.
Nah, I don't want that.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna actually build it to look good because it looks like crap.
Alright, hold on. The P1. No, not the P1. The center's going back to being lowered.
Oh, hell yeah. I put new wheels on it. It looks sick. I lowered it more than stock.
Same.
I want this shoe on so bad.
Alright, I'm changing cars.
No, let me look at this. Wait, let me see what it looks like in here first. Let me park it next to my baby, okay?
You have until I find the next car I want. I already found the next car.
No, this way. Hold on. I'm looking at the two Bugattis together. They look so good. I definitely want a Chiron next. But I got because that's because I can afford that.
Yo, come out here.
Okay, hold on. I am coming. No.
Are you out? Alright, tell me.
Front.
Should I change the wing or no? Because this is the stock wing on it.
Well, does it have an actual wing that goes up?
Let me see.
Yes. Then do not change it.
Alright.
Change the wheels though. I don't really like the wheels that they come with stuff. Or I don't know. The wheels on it right now are pretty bad. That's better. Oh my god, that looks sick. Paint the wheels white or something? Oh, hell yeah. Now get out and look at it.
What?
Hold on, let me sit in it. There you go, the wings up. Alright, look.
Yeah, I'm low-key vibing with this.
Okay, bye. Wait, can I just take it for a small spin? No, let me take it for a spin. Can I actually take it for a spin?
I could take you for a spin in it.
No, I want to see how fast it goes. Let me drive it.
I could tell you how fast it goes.
Let me drive it.
It's the same speed that you got mad at me for telling you about the Ferrari.
Can I please drive it? Thank you. Then this thing quick. I'll be right back with your rolled over car soon. Well, it sounds like my annoying brother. Nah, I'm joking. He ain't annoying.
Alright, I want to get out the Lincoln Hypersport. I never drive that.
Let me at least pull back up. Hey, listen, it sounds like my friends when I don't want to be near them. Okay, I'm back. Oh. Your caster. No, it's not a Lincoln hypersword, it's a Lycan hypersword. They use this car in Fast and Furious. Well, actually, they use the older version in Fast and Furious. God, how's this thing already on 9%?
Huh?
God, this phone, this iPad dies so goddamn. That's actually a lie. It was just at 16%, and it's been from 16 for an hour, and it's now to 9. I'm looking at the shop for passes because
You want to watch my car pass?
no, I'm looking. Oh my god, that's not what I said.
That's what I heard.
Oh, that's not what I said. I only have 11 days to get that Bugatti. What the hell?
What?
Did you just make my character jump?
No.
With 25 mil, I could buy both of the Chirons. With 25 mil, I could have both.
With 25 mil, I could buy every other car that I ever wanted. Oh wait, I don't own those.
No, I could only buy the 2 Chirons, which I would probably end up doing. I don't know, I really want the 300 plus. That's sick. Well, I'll rejoin in a sec.
I mean, it wouldn't be much faster than what the car I have.
$14 for 800 Robux. Bruh.
Maybe you would kind of keep up with my car. Cause my Kona, the fastest car in the game goes 310.
That's funny.
Just slightly. Keep up. You would only be 9 miles slower than my car.
9 miles an hour isn't 100.
I know, I'm saying you would only be 9 slower. So, if you were to get that car, you would at least be keeping up. Unlike others, I would actually have a challenge. For once.
Oh my god, why is everyone walking in my dealer now? And everyone's inside my dealership, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go drive the car that I'm just gonna pull out the car that they're staring at. They're staring at my S15 Pro, so I'm just gonna pull it out real quick. Not the normal S15, I ain't pulling out that. There it is, the S15 Pro. Can you not?
That wasn't even me.
Someone was staring at my S15 and they said they were sad about how they couldn't get it the other day because they're my friend, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I just pulled it out in front of them and started doing a burnout. Yeah, this car shouldn't be able to do this. This car should not be able to do this. Should it?
No, it shouldn't.
I just did a launch control until that's the 300 plus. This is the Bugatti I want so much.
Yeah, I want it too, bud.
Yeah, I have to have it. Hold on, I'm looking for money. Hold on. Wait, I can buy it on my card. Hold on. I can't log into my account on my iPad anymore. I gotta log back in. Did you finish that video yet?
Huh?
Did you end the video yet?
Oh, no, not yet. Alright, this is Husky Plays 99 out.